Hello, this is John of Art and we are leaving Tagbilaran on our way to Larena in Siquijor. Where to buy a ticket and how? Let's purchase our ticket right there. That's the office over there, so let's do it. The Lightport Tourist Center where you purchase tickets going to several destinations, and we will find out which ticket to buy. Here, a ticket for your number and wait for it to be called. This is the schedule of trips. What I've learned traveling from one island to another. If it is from one major island to another major island, for example, Cebu to Bohol, there's no problem because there are more ships, the schedules are more frequent, there are daily trips. But from Bohol to Siquijor, Siquijor being a smaller island, there is only like 3 trips in a week. So you really have to make reservations for that. However, today, this is our 3rd time that we came back to this office and they're already fully booked. And the guard said we should have come here as early as 6 o'clock in the morning to book that trip.
Okay, so we have these people over here. Go ahead, get them. So this is a professional film crew outside of the Lightport Tourist Center shuttle service, which I think is a very good idea because, hold on, turn this way with too much backlight. Because I think that this whole port process needs some serious revamping, and probably some entrepreneurial company came up with the idea, which they don't have to market very hard because there is no competition at all, in that you need someone to go through this process. We've tried 3 times to go ahead and get the Siquijor, and every time something has come up where it just, should have been maybe disclosed to us, so we knew that we could have, even buying the ticket in advance, like the day earlier, they wouldn't allow us to do that, and then we come over the day, it's all sold out. So we'll see. We have one last chance at 1 o'clock, so we'll keep our fingers crossed and see if that we will get on. But everything is going to work out exactly how it's meant to be. And that's
True. We're enjoying Bohol anyway, in spite of the delays.
Absolutely.
We have to wait until 1 o'clock in the afternoon for us to get a confirmation that there are vacant slots. That is, people getting off Bohol from Cebu. That's our chance to know if there are slots available. So we wait at 1 p.m. We were there for 3 days, going back and forth, and that same guard kept telling us to come back on this day, and when we came back, there's no available trip for us anymore. Finally got our ticket from Siquijor to Larena, but wow, it's so expensive. 4,200 for the car, plus free driver, and 540 for 2 more passengers. Remember, we paid for the PPA in Cebu, so we do that again here.
Unsa man karon ni karga, ma'am?
Karon, sir.
Para
Para alas 8.
para Palardel.
Ay, dili. Larena.
Larena lagi.
Gawas.
Yellow building. That
Yellow building. Okay. PPA. Nya,
Napo Coast Guard na, ma'am.
inigbayad namon, balik mi gawas. Dito na. Okay. Salamat. Okay, to that building. Same procedure. Passengers go through the terminal. Only the driver gets to drive the car.
Do we know where to park after that?
They'll just show the way. That's the yellow building where you have to pay the PPA fee. So there has to be one of us to get off the car, go make the payment. This is Joan of Art at the port of Tagbilaran saying bye-bye for now, Bohol. We had such a lovely time indeed. See you again. I'm sure I'll be back. I love you, Bohol. Bye-bye.